guys! Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng ating very easy no-cook Polvoron recipe with, of course, Amazon Grahams. And because this is a no-cook Polvoron recipe, I'm pretty sure na magugustuhan ito ng inyong buong family. At dahil mura lang ang Amazon Grahams at ang mga ingredients na gagamitin natin, pwedeng-pwede na kayo mag-start ng small business. Magbenta ng mga Polvoron, so magkaroon kayo ng extra income, or pwede nyo turuan ng mga kids nyo na gumawa so they can earn extra from this Polvoron recipe. And dahil dyan, ituturo ko rin sa inyo ang costing after this video or before matapos ang video na ito. Kaya if you wanted to know more about this, just keep on watching this video.
For our main ingredient, of course, we're gonna use our San Choco Grahams. You can use 220 grams of this, or you can also use a whole pack in this recipe. And of course, we have to crush this first. Since I don't have a food processor or a mortar and pestle, what I usually do is I put the Grahams inside a Ziploc bag and I use a rolling pin to crush them, so it's easier. And now we're gonna start mixing all the ingredients. We're gonna add powdered milk. It's 1.5 cup of powdered milk. We also need half a cup of white sugar. Let's mix them first before adding our melted butter or margarine. Now let's add half a cup of melted butter or margarine and mix them all together. Once set, we can now get our mold and make sure to fill it in, press firmly. We can use cellophane or Japanese paper to wrap our Polvoron.
For watching this video, and I hope may natutunan kayo dito at ako naman nag-enjoy akong gawin ang very easy recipe ng Polvoron na ito from San Grahams. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing, like this video, comment down if you have any questions or suggestions, and see you on our next video. Bye!